Hey guys, Polka family back again. Just got a Shrouded ETB at Walmart. Just got a couple of, wow, that's bad quality picture right there. They're full art ferret. And then my son's favorite out of our pulls so far, the Roaring Moon. We're gonna start off with one journey together and the last of the temporal forces. So he's gonna do us the honors of opening the last temporal forces, and then we're gonna open the Shrouded Fable, but we're probably only gonna pull 2 packs out of it today. So we're gonna try to make it last a little while. There was literally only 2 left in the store of everything. Like that was the only thing left. Hope you guys are enjoying the content so far. Well, that's cool.
That's a nice one.
Nice. That's cool looking. Alright, Dad's turn. Kind of got a random collection going now. We've done a few Journey Together, Surging Sparks, Obsidian Flames. We just kind of buy what we can when we can. Due to the store not always having anything when you go in. Why is it so fuzzy? Geodude. Butterfree. That's nice. I'm gonna rip through this quick here so we don't make you wait for nothing. While we are doing this, do the thing that I dread the most. If you are enjoying the videos, we would appreciate a like or a subscribe. Would be awesome. Let us know that we're doing something right. If there's something that we're doing wrong or you want to see us do different, let us know. We can try to accommodate that. There are open suggestions. Hopefully get this boring table soon and give you a nice backdrop of something to look at instead of just listening to my horrid voice. That's a cool cover. Look at that. Nice. Energy packs. I don't know how to say that. Petulant. Alright. One for you, one for me. Whoa. Sorry for the dizzy effect there, people. I've kind of said it before in an older video, but my favorite Pokemon is Gengar. I know, it's a pretty common favorite, but what are you guys' favorites? My son's is even more common. He's a Charizard fan. Chinsect. Ooh, that's cool looking. There's some Lana. Like, I don't know, should we have cool background music instead of sitting here in silence for you? Would you rather hear that? Persian. Ooh, that's cool. Sneasel. Oh, Kindra EX. Kindra EX. Thanks for watching, guys. This is our first pack where we've done actual multiple openings in one video. I'd like to sit here and rip this whole ETB for you, but I just can't. Have a good night. Thanks for watching.